I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
My good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And as usual, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come with updates wey I wan share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they don't come again. They don't do the needful. Like this now, they don't gbab a total of 47 suspected internet fraudsters. And then arrest these people then for different locations for inside Ekpoma, Edo State. Now, the operatives of the Benin Zonal Directorate of the Efcc then carry out the arrest on Saturday. Then for inside one statement wey they issued for inside the official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X of the EFCC on Monday, they come dey yarn say dis suspect wey dem arrest so dem gbab dem based on credible intelligence wey link dem to fraudulent activities wey dey go on for inside internet, and all of us know am very well as yahoo yahoo. And as the EFCC operative dem gbab dis countrymen so dem recover some items from dem, and those items dey include 14 exotic cars, laptops and phones dem. The commission wey be the EFCC come dey yarn say the suspects don make some useful statements, and last they go charge them to court as soon as investigations are concluded. Now, as a country person wey you be, as a country person wey me too be, all of us know very well say no be today wey yahoo yahoo start for inside we nation Nigeria. And by how things still dey waka so for inside we nation, with how the economy be so, we no sure say na today na e go finish. Now, as this news come board, many country people now, they were happy, you understand? But many were sad about the matter. Some sef wey no dey support yahoo yahoo and wey no dey support EFCC, they just plaster for the middle. They call the yarn. Sef say the way EFCC take dey do things, e no make sense o. Sometimes say they fit gbab you for streets based on say you don dey ride motor, based on say you don dey use expensive phone, you understand? They no wan even ask how you take get am, they no wan even know. They don tag you as yahoo yahoo. Before you know, you don see yourself for Sanko. Why some come dey yarn say normally the EFCC they are being biased because of the levels wey happen some time ago for inside the month of January, for inside this year 2025. And recently, you know, say the sons of one Lagos State businessman and industrialist wey be Chief Razak Okoya, he bin enter social media after one video wey come dey show wey one policeman bin dey hold bundles of cash for them. And no be lie, that time the sons of one of Lagos businessman and industrialist wey be Chief Razak Okoya bin enter social media after one video like that wey dey show where one policeman bin dey hold bundles of cash for them. And Chief Okoya na one ogbonge businessman wey be say im dey very much popular for im home friendly product wey the company wey im get dey produce. But for some Gen Zs, the Chief Okoya name fit no ring bell for their ears. They fit no know who im be. Not until this in two sons now kukuma come display for inside social media. They spray money anyhow. And policeman sef na even come hold the bundle of money wey dey spray. The video now come cause some controversies, why some even come dey question why policeman go dey hold money for civilian. The civilian dey dance, dey get joy. Policeman wey supposed to dey fight crime, the whole bundle of money for civilian. Many come dey talk put on top the matter. They were disturbed because normally the thing e no make sense at all. Now, before we begin dey torchlight wetin the policeman do, make we look onto wetin im sons do for inside the video wey trend last for inside social media. Now, for inside this video, the sons of this ogbonge businessman just dey spray money anyhow, and that's na a violation of the naira. And the sons of this businessman dey go by the name Wahib and Rashim. They just dey display bundles of money. They just dey do things. They just dey dance. They get joy. They spray money. And another thing wey come pain many country people be say that time wey this thing bin happen, naira notes bin scarce for inside Lagos. Many country people they no see naira notes acquire. They no see naira notes collect. But the ones wey these men dey spray for inside this video, na new notes. Shanga to tell you say dem collect am straight from bank. Abi dem get access to the new notes. Note wey many country people dey find to collect. These men dey spray am for inside party like say na no man's business. So e kuku pain them. Now, based on the things and things wey go down for inside the video, e come make social media users, many country people, come dey accuse the police, say dem dey work unprofessionally. Say the things and things wey they dey do, e no make sense at all. Now, if the sons of this businessman know say they wan spray money, first of all, they no give another person to hold the money. They can't go give policeman to hold the money. That's na violation. and dem come even dey spray money sef for we nation Nigeria. Dat na another violation. Something wey be say Obi Cubana do for inside we nation, him see himself for Sanko. Something wey be say Bobrisky do, him see himself for Sanko. But the sons of dis businessman do am, e no land for Sanko. Na only the policeman wey hold the bundle of naira na police give punishment, but dem no punish the men wey dey spray the money. Dis now come make country people come dey talk and say last EFCC and police dey go attack who no fit defend theirself. Dem dey go attack the weak, but the big men wey don already balance, dem too dey also commit fraudulent activities and nobody dey go after dem. Now we wey be reality latest gist, we no dey tell you say make you go dey spray money for club or for party or for anywhere, e no good. We no dey tell you to go dey do yahoo. No. In short, wash your hand comot for anything wey go bring you problem. Wash your hand comot for anything wey go make you no get joy. Wash your hand comot for anything now wey go last put you for wahala, because those kind levels normally e no good at all. And we wey be reality latest gist, we dey beg the federal government, we dey beg the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, we dey beg the Nigerian Police Force and many other security agencies for inside dis our green country wey be Nigeria, so make dem try dey do the needful. Make dem no dey biased about their judgement or whatsoever they are doing. Make dem dey fair. Make dem uphold the rule of law. Anybody now wey commit crime for inside dis our nation, make dem go after the person, no matter who the person be. No be say you go attack the weak, leave the strong. Those kind levels normal, e no make sense. Make everybody face the rule of law. Make everybody now collect punishment wey dem don commit, because last nobody dey above the law. Not even the sons of the businessman wey last come work free after the crime wey dem don commit. Those kind levels normal, e no make sense at all. And we still dey beg country people, make una try dey avoid police wahala. Anything wey go involve police problem, all of us know how the thing dey be. E no dey ever end well. So e good make you kuku avoid am. You understand? Because last prevention e better pass cure. So dis my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Now anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be reality latest gist. Na we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside dis our green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news, as we dey bring more reality latest dey come your way, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. And abeg try make you dey share the news to your family and friends, so that dem too they go know wetin dey sup for inside this our nation Nigeria. Make dey come your screen, make dey come your domot, make dey come your way again with another legitimate and reality news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.